Okay, you guys, I am back with another video. So I wanted to come on and show you guys some more of my purse concepts. Y'all, I am trying to get these purses in baskets, honey. So y'all know I ordered a good number of purses to use for Mother's Day. And I am trying to make sure that each and every one of these purses go in a basket, okay? So, I have been rolling out. I think y'all I'm almost done with my purses. I got about 4 more of my really big purses. But these are like my medium size purse gifts. So the only ones that I really have left are my big ones, and I'm trying to decide whether I'm going to put those in the ottomans or what. So that's the reason why I haven't put those in purse concept or in a concept. But anyway, let me show you guys what I got. So starting from the left, y'all, over here is my I love this bag, y'all. I wish I would have gotten more of the because they had the different colors of this bag. With, this one had the blue in it and the browns and stuff, but they had, some that had the reds and the greens and all that. And I wish I would have gotten like one of each. But anyway, in this purse right here, I have the purse itself. I've got a wallet here that I purchased. I think this came from Walmart, I think. I put a pair of sunglasses in there, and this is the Champagne Toes Bath and Body Works. I put the 3-piece set in there and some sunglasses. I think that turned out really, really cute. And y'all, I am almost out of these baskets. Y'all, bought a ton of them, I guess, a couple years ago, and I'm almost out. As you guys can see, I need more of these baskets because I use a lot of them for Mother's Day. Next up is this purse right here. I thought this one was really cute. It came with the purse and the wallet. So it didn't require me to do a whole lot to it. I just basically just added a necklace and earring set and some sunglasses. Boom, I'm done. Right? So next up is this one right here. This little cute brown purse. It's almost, what is it, like a patent leather type material. Real shiny. And so I got this wallet right here. This wallet came from Dollar General in one of the clearance events. I put the Victoria's Secret set in that color scheme matched. I added this brown and black necklace and earring set to that. And then I put this gold watch right here, y'all. I thought that matched really, really cute. And so that completed that little concept. Y'all, very easy gifts. Again, as LBE always tells us, watch the size of your container. That way you don't have to worry about trying to add a whole bunch of items to your gifts. And so that's what I did. A couple of these I did have to like downsize in basket or container, because what I realized was the container that I was using was requiring me to put too many items. So when I saw that, I went ahead and went back and downsized my box or changed my container so that the only thing I would have to add is just a few items. So yeah, so be very conscious of the container that you're using when you're making your gifts. It'll make your job so much easier. This right here is one of the boxes that we got from the Dollar General. As you can see, this is the only one that I didn't use one of these little roped baskets. I used this box because I intended to use one of those, and then this design just matched this purse so much better, so I decided to use this box. And the back of it, I flipped this down so that the bow would be behind it. I thought that was really cute. So I added the Waikiki Beach Bath and Body Works, the spray and the body wash to this. And then y'all, this is one of the watches that we got from Walmart. Y'all, look at that green. That green matches that purse perfectly. So I put that green tinted watch in there with a pair of sunglasses and a pair of earrings. Bam, done. Right? Last and certainly not least is this little purse. Y'all, have had this purse for probably 4 or 5 years, and I never did anything with it. So I decided to go ahead and put it in a gift concept. I actually initially bought this purse for myself, and I never used it. So I was like, Rachel, gift this purse and you know, make some money from it. So anyway, I put that in there. I put this little cute watch in there, some sunglasses. I decided to put my mom bracelet in there, and then this little vanilla set there, and made that a set. So y'all, that is my purses. Y'all tell me what y'all think. So like I said, these are my medium-sized purse gifts. I got to figure out what my prices are going to be. I tried to look for my price sheet from last year, y'all, to see how I priced my purses last year so I could keep them in that range, and I cannot find that thing anywhere. So I'll figure it out. But anyway, I just wanted to come on and show you guys these are my purse gifts. I do have another set that I've already wrapped up. I guess I'll pull those and show you guys those as well. So hold on, let me pull those again. Like I said, they're already wrapped. I had already done those. I'm trying to crank them out. So I got 3 more that I'm going to show you. Hold on just a moment, guys. So these are 3 gifts that I already completed and I wrapped up. And basically all that's in these are the same. These 2 on each side are pretty much the same. They have this black purse right here in there. And I told you guys that I had some more of these watch sets that I was trying to get out of my stockpile. So I put 1 watch in there, 1 watch in there, and that's basically it. Just the purse and the watch set in there. And I think it's a complete set. So because it has the watch, the keychain, and the little wallet to go with the purse. But 1 and done. Put my little bow on there and I'm complete. So y'all, this right here, this is my black and red purse. Y'all, I always do at least one of these for the last couple years. I've done at least one of these red and black purses every single holiday that have like the little letters on it, and they sell every single time. So I had this little tray. This is my last tray. I had to actually pull another gift out of that didn't sell, because normally when I make this purse, I normally put it in this tray. But this is my last tray, so I'm going to have to figure out something else the next time if I can get this purse again. Y'all know with the tariffs and all this kind of stuff, hey, whatever. Anyway, so with this right here, I put one of my cherry blossom a spray and body cream sets. I put this little earring and necklace, and it also has a bracelet. So it's a bracelet, earring, and necklace set here. I put the this heart watch in there as well, and I put my our red tumbler cup. So I thought that turned out really cute. Very simple, you know, nice gift. And then, you know, again, like I said, both of these were the same. So those are my last or concepts that I made that I had already wrapped up. Just wanted to show y'all those. So now I got what is that? 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 purse concepts that I have created. And I'll see if there's any more that you know, I need to make up. I think I'm done with my purses for the most part. Like I said, except for my big boys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all tell me what you think of these purses, and tell me kind of what y'all price your medium-sized purses at. What would your price range be for these gifts? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if nobody has told you today, you are loved, you are enough, and we are all treasures in our daddy's treasure chest. See you guys on my next one. Bye, y'all.